Ayan, pupunta na sila sa loob ng Senado, mga kababayan. Oh.
Salita ng information dito.
Sabi nga, ay sila part din, samong na. Samong muna. Sabi natin sa loob. Ayan, sabi natin sa loob. Kamar. Ayan. Q9. 30. Tama? 210. 511. Yan. Alan Lacson. Ay, nagusong siya ba? Beautiful na pula.
Padaan na po ulit, madam.
Igo, papasok. Kaya papasok.
Tama ba ito?
Kaya. Kaya tawag lang sa loob. Maranaw ka? Magiging na lang maranaw.
Kasi yung mga vlog.
Ayaw. Okay na. Kasi pwede natin si Boss RB. Sergeant Tatarm.
Kilagi Congressman Mike.
Mike, ayan sige. Okay, good.
Apat kayo staff niya ni Congressman Bato.
Okay. Andiyan si Boss RB. Second in command. Sergeant Tatarm. Oo.
Maraming salamat po.
Kasama ka nyo kayo ano? Yung wala lang time hindi tayo dito sa sa gas. Dito lang, hindi kami. No problem no. May meeting ako sa Chavit eh. Chavit. Getting touch with Tito Mar. Para one time tayo. Okay. Ano yan? Bakit ano? Anong kailangan? Taas?
Sasabi ko siya bukas ha.
Sige, good. Sige, good. Tapos Kigo pa. Winward lang ako, boss eh.
Okay.
Kaya, wala lang akong time, boss. Wala lang akong time. Kami yung gumagalaw sa dito sa area G. Yeah, before. Kaso dito na ako yung national na ako. Kamusta na kay mama mo?
Ha?
Kamusta na kay mother mo? Kay Ma'am Jenny?
Medyo na-break siya ngayon kasi na-Father's Day.
Yeah, Australia kasi yun eh. Yeah, guys. Pag may time, boss. Yeah.
Congratulating the new Senate President.
Sir, you're congratulating Senator Bato dahil para sa Bakit po natin
The
kinakongratulate?
church and Senate leadership. Kasi ngayon wala na si Tito Soto. We have given him 8 months, 9 months para may makulong sa flood control. Walang nakulong, walang nangyari. And in order to prevent future crimes against our people, we are thankful that there's a change in Senate leadership. Kasi yung dating Senate presidency, dating Senate majority, wala silang nagawa. So now we are trusting Senate President Alex Peter Cayetano and bringing justice to our people.
Sir, ano po naging feeling for you personally nung nakita nyo nagpakita bigla after 6 months ng absence na Senator dito sa Senate? How did you feel about it? Yung pagpapakita ng Senator Bato?
Oh, it's nice. It's nice.
What message kaya sir is it giving to the public? Yung sudden na pagpapakita ni Senator Bato?
Well, the message it's giving is that it's a strategic move. Kasi yung makita natin na nilabas na warrant for the ICC from November 5. Pero dati pa talagang release na may pagkakasip ito. So, as with what has happened before the prosecuted, they planned something similar. But, Senator Bato was able to us. Kasi someone was, alam na niya kung paano yung maagal. So, very well played by him. Very, congratulations to Senator. No one else can do
Was it coordinated, your plan to visit Senator Bato? O bigla nyo na talaga? Sinadya nyo?
I was around the area, so I passed by. Kala ko hindi na masyadong lockdown, pero mukhang very quick.
Ano lang sir ang sabi niyo?
Kayo ba natulog ba kayo dito? Or
Yes sir.
overnight?
Kita kami na
Hopefully may overtime kayo. If not, then we will fight for your rights in Congress to have overtime payments.
Congressman, alam ba yung darating?
Ha? Medyo surprise ko. Kasi
Pero ngayon,
very, it's not just in the method of contacting them, very strict din sila. Hindi lang sa pagpasok, pero sa mga contacts nila. They are very close in information like that.
So ano ba yung natin sa budget? Close po ba kayo?
We're not very close yet kasi kakalain ko lang natin it's like we fight for the same cause.
Bawa ko kay Ashley. Kay Ashley.
Huh? I don't think there's anything to discuss kasi we already know all the information regarding yung money na release ng ICC and there's no new information from outside or from inside.
Sir, the Senate is currently waiting for the transmittal of the articles of impeachment against VP Sara Duterte. Kumusta po on the side of the House?
The side of the house, well, majority ng mga congressmen na
Sabi ng kapit ko,
bumoto doon,
dalawa.
they got the votes. They decided on their votes before they heard about the change in Senate leadership. So may mga congressmen na gusto na mag-switch. They are considering changing sides or they are possibly regretting their votes. Pero, well, this is life. This is how it is now. Their votes are already recorded. Their votes are already made. And we just live with the consequences of that.
Changing the votes, sir, dun sa voting for the articles of impeachment will proceed to the Senate? From 200, bababa?
Well, that's the consensus they've expressed. Kasi ngayon, parang naging, deadlines that the impeachment will proceed and that Vice President Sara will be impeached also in the Senate with 16 years old. Pero ngayon, because of the change in Senate leadership, so now most of the who voted yes in the House were not aware of that prior. So, parang nabigla sila na ba't nagkaroon ng gano'n and whether or not the plan on impeaching Sara would happen. So, now, medyo magulo doon. They're still deciding. They don't know what's happening. Pero tayo chill lang tayo. Yaw-yaw lang.
Actually, resolution from minority Senator Batong surrender. Do you share the same view or would you want to
Minority. Hindi lang sa minority senator.
5 senators pa lang po.
Ako medyo bitter pa sila. Kasama pa sila Senator Montiveros doon.
Yes, Senator Soto, Mama Kilo,
Yes, I can understand sila Senator Lacson, sila Senator Montiveros, Senator Soto. Very, very upset sila na nawalan na sila ng Senate leadership. As we can see, yun din yung nangyari kay Martin Romualdez, he was very upset when he had to step down as House Speaker. Pero ganito talaga, you're not in power forever and you do not have control over the Senate forever. Senator Soto was given ample opportunity to bring justice to the people. He was given 8-9 months, wala siyang nagawa sa blood control, walang nangyari doon. He failed the Senate President and that's why he's feared to remove him. And ngayon, they're just very good. Gusto mo ipakalungan si Bato because Bato also showed that the senators no longer trust the Senate presidency at the time. So ngayon, we're giving Senate President Peter Cayetano a chance to bring positive change within the Senate. And that's what we'd like to see. Baka yung iba ginunta na wala silang insertion, wala na silang mga budget insertions, especially yung isa dyan. Kaya wait nyo lang, we'll see with Senate President Cayetano. Okay, wag kayo masyadong excited.
Sir, papasok na yata.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, ginawa na namin kayo before.
Sure.
Dito sa Senado, sa dali mo pasok sa Senado.